It's finally time to see what happens.
The mac and cheese mobile.
Okay, here we go. Take it out. Can you put the brake back in? I forgot to take the chain off.
Did you hear the chain dragging before you
Yeah.
turn the engine on? You were just sitting there idling for a while.
I was trying to let it warm up because it wasn't happy. It was like spitting.
We should wait for Pam.
Is she going somewhere?
She's on.
Okay. Is it clear? You get the brick?
Back up.
All right. I think it works.
Mom and I were texting like, where'd he go?
Yeah, still a little smoky. I think it's leaking oil. Well, that was awesome. The first drive actually went pretty well. I mean, never mind, it doesn't have a windshield or a fender or the doors or any of that stuff. But I don't care. It was still really fun to drive. Definitely a lot of things to sort out. I know it still smells like oil, so I know there's an oil leak somewhere. I don't even know where. But it basically just kind of needs a tune-up. It's still idling really high. That was on purpose because I'm still trying to brake in the cam. I did get on it a little bit in second and third gear for the rings, you know, trying to put some load on the engine, basically trying to vary the speed quite a bit. But it was fun to drive. Like I gotta tell you, the brakes were awesome. It's a really firm, hard pedal. The steering felt great. It actually went in a straight line, which is shocking. I just used a level to set the toe in or set the alignment, but it seemed to track pretty straight. The ride is a little stiff, a little stiffer than I would have expected. You know, with no anti-roll bars and stock suspension, I thought it would be a little bit more supple, a little more compliant. But maybe it's just because it's loud and noisy without any sound deadening in there. But it seemed pretty stiff to me. I think they might be heavy-duty shocks or something. Otherwise, you know, it's really fun. What can I say?